Hey YouTube, how did you do against your stacking goals in January? How much free gold did you earn? None? Well, let's change that. In this video, I will update you on two of my 2025 Stacking with Purpose plans for the month of January, and then show you how the month went in terms of free gold. I think this video could be eye-opening for some of you. Give me a few minutes and see if this update inspires you as it has me. Come along, let's stack with purpose. Okay, let's dive on into the base plan results. In January, I received my yearly bonus check. Therefore, this purchase ended up being much larger than most monthly purchases. I ended up purchasing 3 tubes of ASEs, which I needed to complete a 100-ounce mini monster box. I also bought a 10-ounce bar that I posted about in the community. The community saved the 10-ounce bar from going to the double forge. That makes 70 ounces. And then I also bought about $1, or actually $2.50 face worth of junk. At I think that sets me at 1.61 ounces. So for January, I stacked 71.61 ounces of silver, putting me 35% of the way through my yearly goal of 201.85 ounces. As far as gold is concerned, I set a goal for 3.4 ounces of gold based on various factors, availability of coins that I need to complete a set. So I purchased a half-ounce gold maple leaf from my LCS. Actually, all of these were bought at my LCS, by the way. Thank you, Johnny and Angela. So I bought a half-ounce of gold, putting me at 15% of the way through 3.4 ounces, which set me 35% of the way through my stacking goals for this year. I think for next month, I'm going to focus on 1-ounce rounds and junk silver on the silver side, and probably some gold 1/10 ounce maples. Even though it's not on my list here, you can replace Britannia with maple. It's foreign gold to me, so I think I'm going to pick up a couple of 10th ounce maples. We'll see. That's for next month. By the way, if you guys don't have a plan put together for yourself for purchasing, take a look at this video here. The coming gold and silver rush, what every stacker needs to know. It's basically my plan and how I purchase and direct money in different plans, yearly plans, quarterly plans, etc. Okay, coming up next, the free gold plan so many people scoff at. First, if you find any of this content engaging and useful, or if you just want to continue to see turbo stacking content, please like and subscribe. 96% of my viewers are not subscribed. Let's see if we can get that down to 90% maybe. What you've been waiting for here, the free gold plan update for 2025. In January, I had a return of a gift that I had purchased. I actually purchased multiple gifts for my nephew and ended up selecting one, and just now got around to submitting the refund. I also had $21.61 of interest from different accounts, as well as $2.44 worth of roundups in one of my checking accounts. And as I mentioned in my video here, acquire amazing amounts of gold without spending a dime. I reached out to unclaimed property offices in each state that I had lived in and came across $35 from a cable company in Florida and shares of a company I worked for 15 years ago, Fannie Mae, which I split between my equities account and stacking account. So $523.50 and plus $35 came from just reaching out to 2 different websites and doing a search to see if they owed me, if anyone in those states owed me any money. If interested in more about this, please click on this link here. Additionally, I received approximately $50 in cash back from my PayPal MasterCard. I think that was probably from the Christmas purchasing in December. And then I happened to sign up for a class action lawsuit against Verizon for something or another. I think I'm not even sure if I signed up, to be honest, but I did receive an $11.66 check, so I added that to the free gold plan. And then I had $1.16 worth of profit from affiliate marketing. Thanks, Dad. Appreciate your help there, on Amazon. And of course, YouTube. I have not yet reached 1,000 subscribers, nor have I reached the 4,000 hours of views needed to monetize, but hopefully that's coming soon. So all in all, $679 I have put away for free gold in the month of January by redirecting existing income streams, or, like I said, reaching out and looking for property or monies that are owed to me by different states. That puts us on a pretty high trajectory. I don't think this unclaimed property, these two, or I don't think the unclaimed property category is going to be a player much anymore for the year. But these 2 claims resulted in, let's see, almost $1,200 if you count the other half that I left in my securities fund. You'll notice that there's $100 I have in gift cards or returns for February. That's due to a return from Christmas that I'm doing as well. So we're at $679 for the year. That's almost a quarter ounce of free gold. It's pretty good, I would say. It can be done. It sounds silly adding up all these pennies, but I'm telling you, you can get free gold just by redirecting unexpected income streams. Okay, so that brings me to Turbo's tip for the day. Automate. It's simple. Automate. Use vaults in your checking account or savings account if your bank offers them. Mine offers up to 20 vaults in a savings account. All direct deposits fire off an autopilot which transfers money from that checking account to savings vaults. I basically separate all my different bills that I need into different vaults, and then I also have, everything from investing vaults to free gold vaults that I use to redirect interest and hold funds for the free gold plan. All other monthly bills, have an automation to move the monthly amount due back to the checking account 2 days prior to bill payment submission. This allows me to, the savings account is offered at a 4.1% rate, whereas the checking account is like 0.2% or something really low. So I try to keep the bulk of my money in my savings account to gain that extra interest. Last month it was $21.50. And then at the end of the month, I also sweep any funds that are in my checking account into my free gold plan as well. So 2025 is shaping up to be my most successful year to date, not only stacking, but also, of course, with the YouTube channel. I appreciate everybody's support. You guys mean the world to me and this journey. It can sometimes be a lonely hobby, but this outlet has allowed me to express my fears, my joy, my excitement, my disappointments. So thank you for listening. So if you found any of this content engaging and interesting and think you might want to come back and see another video, please like and subscribe if you don't mind. It would help us out tremendously, grow the channel, of course, and get the word out. If you're still watching, You are who I am making these videos for. You are just like I am, taking it all in, trying to see all sides of this thing called stacking. Your support is what makes me smile and continue to create these videos. Without views and subscribers, all of which I share will disappear. Thank you for your time. God bless you. As you were, Turbo